Today we're looking at the title, subheadings, and paragraphs, mainly focusing on how subheadings link to the paragraph beneath them. So, just to recap, the title is usually found at the top of the page, it's often in bigger text, and it tells you what the whole text is going to be about. So, it gives us a general idea of the whole text. So, for example, Iron Man, we know that all of this information in this text is going to be about Iron Man. Now, it's important to know that not every single paragraph has a subheading. So, this one, often you'll find the first paragraph in an information text doesn't have a subheading because it's just an introduction paragraph. It's just introducing a bit about what your information text is about. Okay, so it just introduces the text. Now, all the other paragraphs usually do have subheadings. So we've got here, this is a subheading. Remember that subheadings are often questions in information text. So here we've got, how large is Iron Man? Okay, so we've got this subheading here. Now, directly underneath, you can see this chunk of writing. Well, the chunk of writing is called a paragraph. So we know that the chunk of writing directly underneath the subheading is going to be about how large the Iron Man is, because the subheading tells us what the information in the paragraph underneath is going to be about. Let's have a look at another example. So here we've got another subheading. Again, it stands out a bit more because it's in bold and they are often questions. So we've got, what does Iron Man eat? So directly underneath, we've got another chunk of writing, which is another paragraph. And in this chunk of writing, it's going to tell us information about what the Iron Man eats. So it sticks to the information that the subheading suggests. So, for example, here we've got another one. Now, this isn't a question. Like I said, it doesn't always have to be questions. It's another subheading just to tell the reader what the chunk of writing, what the paragraph of writing underneath is going to be about. So we've got a list of Iron Man's favourite foods, and then you can see that it lists the Iron Man's favourite foods. So it's just to make it easier for the reader to find the information that they want to find quicker, because you can have a quick look at the subheadings and that will tell you where each bit of information is going to be.